The Long Island Sound. Big, beautiful, and bountiful. But now that 10% of the United States population lives within a 50-mile radius of its shores, the Long Island Sound is in trouble. Some say serious trouble. In an effort to save the Sound, the federal government has initiated the Long Island Sound Study, a 5-year effort to analyze these waters and come up with recommendations for its revival. But overwhelming support will be needed for some tough solutions. To heighten awareness of this study, a 1-hour documentary is being produced. This program will clearly illustrate the problems and the possible solutions for this troubled estuary. The premiere broadcast of the program will coincide precisely with the release of the study's findings in early 1990. Saving the Long Island Sound is one of the most urgent challenges facing us today. Let future generations look back and say that we met that challenge, that we saved the Long Island Sound.